World new Boeing Business Jet, Raill Jets, Boeing Business Jets, BBJ are versions of Boeing Jets airlines with modification to serve the private head of states and corporate jet market. In 1996, Phil Condit, president of Boeing, and Jack Welch, chairman and CEO of General Electric, sketched out their ideal business jet, a high-performance derivative of the Boeing 737 next generation, capable of flying more than 6,000 nautical miles non-stop and offering more than cabin space than traditional long-range business jets. The first Boeing business jet, based on 737-700, rolled on July 26, 1998 and had its first flight on September 4, 1998. Boeing expanded the BBJ brand to include configuration based on the 737 MAX, 777, 777X, 787 Dreamliner, and 747-8 Intercontinental, which are known as BBJ 737 MAX, BBJ 777, BBJ 777X, BBJ 787, and BBJ 747-8 respectively. Boeing currently produces the BBJ 737-7, BBJ 737-8, BBJ 737-9, BBJ 787-8, and BBJ 787-9. The BBJ 777X will be available once it is certified by the FAA, as many types of customers may order one of the jets. BBJ can be uniquely customized for the needs of each owner. Since its introductions as a separate group, 250 BBJ have delivered 260 orders. BBJ typically seat between 19 and 50 passengers, with bespoke configuration that can include bedrooms, fully fitted bathrooms, conference and dining areas, living areas, a small fitness center, and more. All models of BBJ are delivered by Boeing without an interior fitted, so the customers can add the interior that they want. After the launch of BBJ, Airbus followed suit with the launch of the Airbus ACJ, derived from its A319 airliner, then the larger A320 and the smaller A380 line. Other smaller competitors include the Imperial Lineage and Bombardier Global Express, the Gulfstream G550 and the Gulfstream G650.